Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can stop or how you can prevent your cryptocurrencies from decreasing. So basically, you find that your balance there is actually defluctuating and it's raising an alarm to you. So basically, this is how you can stop that from happening. So basically, the reason for why your assets keep on decreasing, or sometimes you're finding them are increasing or decreasing, the main reason is that your assets are under spot wallet. So yeah, it doesn't matter any coin you have or anything you have or any cryptocurrency you are holding, as long as it's in spot, that currency is live. So basically what it means that that currency is going with the market price. So if the market price decreases, then your balance on your wallet will also decrease. If the market price increases, then that means that also your balance will decrease. So okay, if you want to stop that, it's very simple. What you have to do, you have to transfer your cryptocurrencies from the currencies they are from spot to funding, or otherwise you can just convert them from the initial cryptocurrency they are. So for, let's say, for the case the cryptocurrencies they're in form of Worldcoin. So what you have to do, you have to convert them from the Worldcoin they are to a stable coin like USDT. So USDT is a stable coin. That means that the coin doesn't increase nor decrease in price. So yeah, let me show you how now you can convert your cryptocurrencies to the stable chain, or how you can convert them from spot to funding. So okay, when you head on to the click on the asset section, then you land on this section which says overview. So what you do, come and click on spot here to see the cryptocurrencies you're holding that are on spot. So when you click on spot, you can see these are the cryptocurrencies that are on spot. So for my case, I have Worldcoin in spot, I have TRX, I have Launch and Nairo in spot. So what you do for your case, another set of cryptos will be on your wallet. So now, how you convert them is very simple. Go back to the home page. Remember, we want to convert them to funding or convert them to a stable coin like USDT. So the first step, the first method we are using, we want to transfer them to funding. So if you want to transfer them to funding, this is what you do. Click on transfer here. When you click on transfer, this table will appear. So this function will appear. So click on the coin here. So come and click here. So basically when you click there, automatically the coins available on spot will appear. So you can select any coin you want to transfer. So let's say for my case, I want to now convert my TRX from spot to funding. So I just have to click on TRX there. So yeah, you can see this table here, it's saying from spot to funding. You can also opt to do it vice versa. So what you do, if you want to transfer from spot to funding, make sure spot is on the top here. So yeah, come and click on max. Then the available USDT will be transferred to funding. So yeah, what you do, come and click transfer. Then you want to transfer, yep, come and click on confirm, okay. And there it is, automatically you can see now the balance has reduced. My TRX are not available on the spots wallet. You can see previously it was here below Worldcoin, but now you can see it's not anywhere here. So basically that means now my TRX are safe. They are not going to decrease or increase. They are out of spot. They are now on my funding wallet. So that's why when you click on funding here, you'll find the TRX coins there. You can see here we have them, the Tron. You can see they are 10. You can see now the amount is in funding. So here your assets are not going to decrease or increase. So the other method to stop your assets from decreasing is to convert them to a stable coin like USDT. So what you do, come and click on home page here, then click on the search tab here, then select search for convert. Yeah, the convert option. So for my case, I have already searched on it, so let me do it slowly. Come and click on search on convert, then click on this one here. So basically this convert, it's a function. So yeah, click on convert, then yeah, trade any coin to any coin. Yeah, click on that. Then of course this page, then now you can see now the coins or the cryptos. So convert them to any coin you want to. So first, what you need to do, you need to take this USDT to be here. So make sure below here we have USDT. So yeah, just search the coin USDT. Sorry, no, let me just convert these arrows. So just come and click on these arrows if you're not finding the coin. So yeah, now there we have it. USDT is below. So okay, let's now input the coin you want to convert to USDT. So let's say I want to take this Tron to USDT. I want to convert 10 Trons to USDT. So yeah, there we are. So you can see now from TRX to USDT. So yeah, just come and click the maximum amount. So when you click on max, the maximum amount of TRC will be available, will be shown, and they will appear, and the equal or the valuable or the equal value of the 10 TRX will show in form of USDT below here. You can see. So 10 TRX is equals to 2.7249268 USDT. So with that, you can click preview. Basically, when you click on preview, you can see confirm the order. So yeah, come and click confirm. There we are, conversion detail complete to 2.70 USDT. So yep, so just go back now to your assets. Go back now, come and click on assets. Now when you click on assets, you will see that your Trons have been converted to USDT. You can see now the amount of USDT has increased by around 9 USDT, and you can see now the Tron coin is not available here. You can also see under spot is also not available, and you can also see under funding also it's not available. You can see when I refresh, it's nowhere to be seen. So yeah, we have converted our Tron to a stable coin USDT. So when it's in USDT, a stable coin, it won't reduce in price. Also, when you convert it to from spot to funding, it won't reduce in price. So basically, yeah, those are the two methods to prevent or to protect your coins from depreciating or going with the market price. So yeah, basically that's it. If this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel for more crypto and mining updates.